Page 305. This is a lesson on the scales and arpeggios and a technique thing at the bottom of the page. You combine it all together. They have what they call the group 2 keys. You're just practicing the harmonic minor scales in those keys. So we have the B and the F. They start on white keys. I guess those are the last 2 white keys that we haven't done yet, okay? And B minor is relative to D major. D major has 2 sharps, therefore B minor has 2 sharps. And I got videos on all this junk, the scales and arpeggios, and I prefer the way I do it there, but that's what they're doing. And then the F minor here, F minor is relative to A flat major, which has 4 flats, so F minor has 4 flats. Remember, we're going to use harmonic minor. So in B minor here, the 7th step, which would be an A, raise it up a half step. So it's here, so it's harmonic minor, and the F minor at E natural. Raise it up a half step. Yeah. And then do the arpeggios too. Okay. Technique at the bottom, they are using an A minor scale, harmonic, in contrary motion, and again, you're mirroring the finger numbers. You just got to watch out for the black key. Here, that, here. See, the black keys are different. There, and they go up 2 octaves and all that. That's fine. They want you to transpose this technique thing into the key of G harmonic minor. Well, G harmonic minor, G minor is relative to B flat majors, 2 flats, and you're going to use F sharps because that's the 7th step. So you just start here, fingering again. You're mirroring the hand. You do here, here, there. Once you get that feeling of doing different things in the hands, where one's got a black key and one doesn't. No. Yeah, but at least the fingering is the same, because a bunch of the other scales, the fingering's different too. Something to look forward to, I guess.